So after you make your payment, you sign up, you become a client of mine. I instantly start the dispute process like right then and there. Right then and there. I don't care if you hit me at 2 something in the morning. Yeah, I'm usually doing your letters and I'm mailing them out. I have certain methods, certain tips. Y'all that know me, you know how I roll. But I work very quickly. So hit me up when you're ready or you're about to be ready. Don't waste time. It's your life. If you want to drag your feet, fine. But once you sign up with me and do business with me, I don't hesitate. Okay. After that, it's a waiting period. You have to be realistic. This is not something, a situation where I need to call you all the time. You call me all the time. We contact the credit bureaus. You actually need to leave them alone. You need to leave the creditors alone. Just let them simmer. They're going to get these amazing disputes that are factual. I'm a factual disputer, right? So that's why I get the results that I get. Just chill, relax, and allow the credit bureaus by law the 30 days that they need. Now, mind you, a lot of times I'm checking, I'm doing hacks. I got special techniques to expedite this. So if I do see early deletions, though, I am instantly sending out dispute letters. But in the meantime, you got to have patience. If you don't have any sort of patience in this isn't going to work and you're not going to nag me to death. Okay. I got you. I understand this is urgent. It's urgent for me. You know what I mean? So I'm representing you. In the meantime, what we can do while we're waiting is get some credit education. Okay. I got you on a credit education. Okay. We're going to wait. I'm going to send you some free game tips and tricks that you can do in the meantime to strengthen your credit report, because you have to think you're going to get approved for a mortgage, right? When you get approved for a mortgage, sometimes that loan is not reporting for another 30, 60 days, tops. So that's a good thing. It's giving you time to build. You already are approved. You can't do but so much while you're going for the home buying process other than fix your credit, but you can start adding credit after you've been approved and closed on the mortgage. So get some credit education. I have a podcast. We'll get into that in a minute. I'm on YouTube. I have Facebook groups. I'm always educating. Okay. Boost your credit score. I'm merging that together. Boost your credit score. I'll walk y'all through it. There's so many ways to boost your credit score. Trade lines. We could talk about trade lines when I'm done here. Rent reporters, like the young man said in the chat. There's a billion different ways you could boost your score and strengthen it. You want to be careful, though, not to get into too much debt. Everybody's debt to income ratio is different. So you don't want it to interfere with your home buying process, you getting approved for a loan. But there's positive ways you can still boost your credit or prepare yourself after you close. You want to check your mail.